Here we have a 21 plate BMW 320d M Sport Pro Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sport Plus package. We do also have the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Tanzanite blue metallic exterior paintwork, which really does sparkle, especially in the sunlight. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, gloss black front splitter as well. Apologies about the sun. Round to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top, you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip, just here if you take a closer look on the tailgate. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera as well. And round to the rear, you find the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser. And back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We do also have the M Sport style seatbelts, got the climate control for the rear passengers, ambient lighting and electric windows on the doors. Again, at the front with the same full leather interior, there's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. We have the electric mirrors on the doors along with the electric windows, with the automatic lights just down here, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, we also got the cruise control and the speed limiter. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We have the high beam assist just there on that stalk, and we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We do have the main screen just here in the centre. Now finally the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Got the sat-nav navigation just here. The screen is touchscreen, but we also have the shortcuts down here, so if we click onto the media, then you'll find we have the radio stations appear just here. We also have the other options such as the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have these apps which are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go onto car, onto the settings, this is where you find the interior ambient lighting, where you find we have plenty of colours which we can choose from. We've got the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And further down you find we have the climate control, ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on each side, working as they should do, as you can see. We do also have the automatic gearbox. Put that into reverse, you find the reversing camera appear on the screen along with the parking sensors. We also have the different drive modes, so with the adaptive drive mode. We also have Eco Pro, we have Comfort and Sport. Also changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes. As you can see, it will flick through the drive modes like so. Electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport Pro Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now at 5 the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We also have got the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show with different displays depending on what drive mode you're in. You would have seen that on the walk around video and also on the photos. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior as well throughout the vehicle, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still go out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for these cold winter mornings. We've got the main screen in the centre, full of features. You're going to see them again on the photos. Currently showing the sat-nav. Below there we do have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes, and we do also have the ambient lighting as well throughout the vehicle. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on and start to slow down. Wait for the traffic to pass, and then we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. And now I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with going through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.